5 Android apps that pay you real money and cash for real. Android apps to earn money. You pay for some apps in the App Store or you buy in-app purchases. But did you know you could earn cash by using apps for things like watching TV, exercising, downloading apps, or as simple as taking photos? 1. Cointeply, earn money in Bitcoin. Cointeply is a micro-task website that let you earn free Bitcoins for doing tasks such as play games, install apps, filling surveys, view ads, and many more. You will be earning Satoshi, fraction of Bitcoin, for every task that you accomplish. You can further convert this earned Bitcoin into hard cash using these websites. Coinbase, for a global audience. Binance, for everything else. Their Android app makes it easy for you or anyone in that matter to enjoy the concept of making money from Android apps. Their Android app makes it easy for you or anyone in that matter to enjoy the concept of making money from Android apps. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks let you a complete variety of activities that let you earn money. They are available online as a web app and also a mobile app. SP Answer, surveys that pay, which you can use on your Android phone. Here are a few activities that you can do on this Android earning app. Surveys. Answer questions. Playing games. Watching videos. Daily polls. You will be earning points called SP, which can be redeemed as $3-25 gift cards for Amazon, PayPal, Target, Walmart, and Starbucks. 3. Playment. This is an interesting Android app that can be used by anyone from any country. Here you can select tasks from various tasks and complete it to earn money. Earning from Android app. You need to create an account using Facebook and verify your mobile number for getting paid better than others. Just for joining you will earn points. 4. PerkApp. Perk is a popular platform which offers various ways for you to complete a task on your Android phone and earn rewards point. You can watch videos, play games, visit websites, search the web and other activities to earn. You can use the gift cards for various stores including Target, PayPal, Walmart to name a few. What I like the most about Perk ecosystem is Perk.tv, which let you make money by watching videos on Android phone. This is the least effortless way to earn from an Android phone. 5. Moocash pays you with a swipe and tap. Moocash. Moocash mobile app lets you earn money with your Android cell phone or tablet simply by using the screen locker. This free screen locker reward users for unlocking their mobile screen by swiping left to claim an offer. Users earn coins which can be redeemed into the cash via PayPal or Google reward card when they swipe to claim an offer. To claim an offer, they have to download the promoted app or watch a short video. With 2,000 coins you can already redeem $2 via PayPal. You can also earn iTunes, Amazon, Google Play gift card. Download Moocash, use referral code UPXIA to get 20 free coins, O as in orange.